here's how to make a hyperlink in Word. So you can make hyperlinks in Word and it's very easy and simple. So I'm gonna show you a step-by-step method on how you can do this. Make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's just straight jump into it. First of all, we'll go to Word, and as you guys can see, I've already wrote my click here. So people do write stuff like this mostly. So what you have to do is select the word that you want to change into hyperlink. So I'm just gonna change select this hyper here, and we go to insert, and we see this link under the links tab. So we click it and we get this. So in the address you can put your URL by pasting it. So I have the normal Google URL where it takes me to the Google. So I'm just gonna press OK after that, and there it is. So when I press it, or someone else does, it will take them to the Google website. So when I press it, open hyperlink. So there we go, we're in our Google. So yeah, that's basically it on how to make hyperlink in Word. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.